Hey, it's Matt the old Florida boy back with you. You know, I was reminded by 39 Camper and my friend Carolina Chris Outdoors that it's still beer stump season. And I've totally disregarded that. I've been doing videos on cooking and shelter building and stuff like that. I totally forgot about beer stump season. So I checked the calendar and the weather forecast, and it looks like that this is pretty much going to be the last weekend for beer stumping in Florida. So I'm out in my favorite likely patch of woods. You don't even need any special woods for this. Just some woods where you think some beer stumps may be. Now, usually you find beer stumps. You can find beer stumps all around. Usually you find them after they've shed their cans, and you'll notice that by the empty cans laying around. And after they shed their cans, that's when they're the adult beer stumps, and they kind of take on a brown color and they're kind of tapered up to the top. That's how you know that they're an adult. So we're going to go out and see if we can go hunt a beer stump. Take you to a place where I found a couple in the past, and it's not really very hard. So I think this is coming up just up ahead. So I'll get back with you when we're on the stump. Alright, we're going into a likely area. It was kind of cool last night, about 40 degrees, and there was actually some frost this morning. So this is a great time to go beer stumping. You know, well, because once it gets hot, they go and look for a cool, dark place to hibernate. Beer stumps don't like it when it's warm. But there's a secondary season in the middle of the summer when it gets really, really hot. But you don't find as many beer stumps when it gets hot as when it's cool. Now, here's a huge stump. Wow, look at that stump. That thing's giant. The old pine tree fell down. Let's look. I don't see any in there. I don't see any in there. Alright, so, ooh, look at that stump. Wow, that looks awesome. Let's go up there. Alright, we're going to see if there's any in there. Alright, this is a pretty good stump. Usually find them around the side. This is a nice hollow stump. So let's see. Oh, 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 look, 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 look. Look, look, look. Oh my God. You never see this. You never see this. Look. It's a nest. It's a nest of them. Holy mackerel. I got to get these guys out. I'll be right back. All right. All right, that's it. We got to get out of here before the mom and dad come. Let's get back to the house and clean these. All right, got them back to the house, cleaned them all up. Look, you almost never find them in a nest like that. That is so unusual. And you know, we had to get out of there before the mom and dad came back because they would not be happy that I raided their nest. So these are all cleaned up. They're ready to go. Let's see how they are. Because it's late in the season, sometimes they can become a little skunky. So I would suggest that you use an insulating device such as I have here, and just drop the beer stump in there. Now, let's see what we got. Oh, that is so good. The minimal of preparation, all you got to do is take them out of the stump, brush them off, wash them off, maybe cool them back down in a cold, dark place. Then you're ready to go. All you need is an insulating device, and you don't even need a fire, a grill, nothing. So, I hope you enjoyed my beer stumping expedition. Want to remind you once again, in the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to see some suggested videos. In the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see my subscription box. Please like, comment, subscribe to this funny video. And until next time, this is Matt, the old Florida boy, saying, I will see you on the trail.